If you or a loved one is having difficulty getting into or out of bed, Medline's Bed Assist Bar can help. Whether you're recovering from surgery, like a hip replacement, dealing with back pain or arthritis, or just coping with general unsteadiness, the Bed Assist Bar offers added stability for greater confidence and peace of mind. The Bed Assist Bar fits most beds, from twin to king, as well as most bed heights. It can be placed on either side of the bed, sliding easily between the mattress and the box spring. Safety straps are included that wrap around the mattress for extra reinforcement. A simple push-button adjustment lets you slide the legs and soft grip handle up and down to provide a custom fit. It also comes standard with a nylon mesh pocket for keeping glasses, the remote, a flashlight, or other necessities within reach. And the Bed Assist Bar can be assembled in minutes with no tools. Its sturdy steel design provides excellent stability and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So if you're concerned with falls or just sometimes need a helping hand, having the Medline Bed Assist Bar right at the bedside helps provide a steady and secure way for getting into and out of bed.